In this tutorial, let's see a quick path to build the OLTP RDS MySQL and OLAP AnalyticDB MySQL cluster with data synchronization channel using just a single Terraform script. Please scan the code to get the full Terraform script of this tutorial. The script will first create RDS MySQL instance as the OLTP database and AnalyticDB MySQL as the OLAP data warehouse. Then, build a DTS data synchronization channel connecting the database and the data warehouse. I will then run the OLTP demo application, which will be continuously inserting data into the RDS MySQL database. Also run the OLAP demo application, which will be continuously querying data from the AnalyticDB MySQL data warehouse. You will see the data latency is in milliseconds from the source database to the target data warehouse. If you look at the script, you will see the cloud resources like ECS, RDS MySQL, AnalyticDB, and DTS synchronization instance and job are clearly declared and very simple. Now, let's see how the quick path works. Alright, this quick pass with Terraform scripts has successfully built OLTP RDS MySQL and OLAP AnalyticDB MySQL cluster with the data synchronization channel. Just with 3 commands, pretty easy. Do not hesitate to have a try yourself. Thank you, and please visit GitHub and the YouTube channel for more resources.